What is going on, guys? I have a very exciting video for you guys today. So we finally got our wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this on the Jeep Gladiator. Alright, so we got the black Rhino Kelso wheels in Battleship Gray, and then we have the Cooper Tire Discover SCT Pros 37s by 12.5s. They're massive. So the biggest tire I've ever had on my Jeeps are 35s, but went ahead and stepped up and got the 37s. So look how big they are compared to stock tires. I have the Ready Lift 2.5 spacer kit on it, so I have a little 2.5 lift on it right now. This should fit no problem. Let's go ahead and install these bad boys. Closer look on all four wheels. Man, they look good. Look at the difference, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but the Jeep's lopsided. Alright, there you guys have it. Got the brand new rims and wheels on. Look at the comparison on the stock Rubicon wheels. 37s, and I believe those are 33s. Looking good. Waited about 2 months to get these wheels. I guess they were on back order, but it's worth the wait. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.